Introducing the 2020 Volvo Xc90 T8R design. AWD Phev 5-door auto in sleek black. This stunning estate boasts a powerful 2-litre engine fueled by petrol and plug-in hybrid electric technology, automatic transmission, and registered new in 2020. Loaded with comfort and accessory features like satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and ambient lighting, every drive will be luxurious and convenient. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance systems keeping you secure on the road. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer serviced, and a comprehensive warranty, peace of mind comes standard. Explore more about this outstanding vehicle at spiritmotorgroup.ie. Don't miss out on the opportunity to drive the Volvo Xc90 T8R design AWD Phev. Call us today.